Hello, everyone. Rana here from Technical SU Team Parliament. Today we are diving into an exciting tool that's going to revolutionize the way you interact with your Google Drive. It's a Google Bird. If you are someone who constantly juggles numerous documents and seeks an efficient way to find and analyze them, you are in the right place. In this video, we will explore the incredible capabilities of the Google Bird, a platform designed to streamline your document management. Basically, it's a text generative AI. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone looking to get more organized, so Google Bird is the ChatGPT alternative, you can say, but it has access to your workspace, so you can find easily everything from your workspace. Let's try how. So here, just visit bird.google.com. Okay, just type here, is there anything on my drive about Karma Wolf? List down. Okay, it's found the five documents actually. The first Karma Wolf monthly report, Karma Wolf monthly marketing performance report, cold email, LinkedIn copy. Uh, these are the links. So it's the easiest way to find the documents and other stuff from your Google Workspace. It's not limited to the Google Drive. You can find many things around your workspace, like your Gmail, your G Suite, your billing information on the Google, and your cloud information. So that's the simple process. Tap the like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you.